What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the hood struts on your Toyota FJ Cruiser. So these are the new ones I got. So this is what's been going on. So when I pop the hood, it just wants to drop. So check it out. I'll let go, and I think they're kind of shot. It kind of holds, but it's going out. I was changing the washer fluid and it almost dropped on my head. So I need to change it. So I think the only tool you need is a flathead screwdriver, and I'm gonna get started. You can do this alone, but if you have a buddy, it might be a little more helpful, so he could hold the hood for you. But what I'm gonna do is, while I'm changing these, I'm just gonna hold it with one hand like that, take the pins out, pull one strut out, put the other strut in, and then move to the other side, and while holding it, change the other strut. There's gonna be this pin over here, just on this piece. So what you want to do is you just want to shove this flathead screwdriver in, and then just pull the clip out. It might take a couple of tries, but eventually you get it out. So for me, the whole screwdriver almost kind of fits in there. I'm just gonna pull it out. Just be careful, make sure it doesn't fly and like hit you on the face. There, came out just like that. And now I'm gonna bring the other strut over. Actually, not yet. Now what we got to do is follow this down, and same thing over here. There's gonna be a pin on this side, and you want to remove that pin too. Alright, same thing now. I'm gonna get the bottom piece out, but I'm also keeping some leverage on this side of the hood so it doesn't just drop on me. And I'm just gonna pull this clip out. So see, my whole screwdriver kind of fits where the clip is, and I'm just gonna take it out. There we go, this is out, and it will still hold on there. And what you want to do now is pull it out, but since I'm doing this alone, I'm going to make sure I have the strut so I can pop it in right when I take the old one out. I got the strut off, and don't let go because it gets really heavy. That's trying its best, but it's already a shot strut, so that's not going to help. So my new strut is right here, and you don't need to remove any clips from the new struts. It just clips on pretty easily. So I'm gonna try to show you guys. I'm gonna put it in. So the top piece right here, I'm gonna put it in there like that, and then the bottom piece. So if this is straight, if this piece is straight, turn it to the left so it could actually fit in there. Alright, so the strut is in. It's really easy. You don't need to remove the clips for the new one. You just kind of push it in. So the top was really easy to get, and look, it's not going anywhere. This thing's in. And so I popped that in, and this one, once you get it here, once you get it over here, you just want to pop it in just like that too. And this bad boy is right here too, and it's not going anywhere. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Pretty straightforward, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so once again, I'm going to come over here and see where the pin is right here. I'm gonna put my screwdriver there. Once it comes out enough, you could actually jab the whole screwdriver in there to your flathead screwdriver, and then you just want to mess with it a little bit until it comes out. See, came out just like that. So same thing for over here. You want to use your flathead screwdriver. Once the pin moves out enough, the whole screwdriver will fit in there, and then you just want to pop the old pin out. Make sure you're holding this. You don't want this thing to drop on your head. So looks like my old strut on that side was a bad one because the hood is actually holding itself now. But just in case, still when I'm under it, I want to keep one arm on there so it doesn't kill me. So screwdriver's down, and to pull the old strut out once the pins are out, again, really easy. So I'm gonna start with the top. Like that, and then for the side, same thing. You see it over there, it comes out just like that. Throw it on the floor because I don't care about it. And once I get the new strut, so right here, fits in just like that. And I might have to turn this a little bit because this is straight, so I turn it like this, and then I put it right here, and then it pops in just like that. Check it out, guys. This is in, and these struts feel friggin' amazing. Look at that. Yeah, this thing just wants to lift itself open. Starting from here, check it out. That's what you call a good strut. that's how you replace the hood struts on your FJ Cruiser. So yeah, this works from 2007 all the way till the FJ Cruisers were made. So 2007 to 2014, pretty straightforward. I hope this video helped you guys, and like I said, you can do this alone. I did it myself. You just gotta be really careful. If you have a friend, it's even easier because you don't have to worry about holding the hood, and you can use both your hands and change the struts. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped. If it did, give it a like, and if it didn't help, give it a dislike. And for more FJ videos and other how-to videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Just to show you how bad this old strut was, this is what I'm going to show you. I tried this with the new strut and it didn't react the same way. So I'm going to push it in, see if it closes. Look how easily it closes. The other one wouldn't close at all. Whatever effort I used, it just wouldn't close. So I'm happy with the struts.